Hello my good friends of YouTube. And yes, am I recording? Yes. And yes, I'm back here with my good friend John. Website? So your YouTube channel, John? Electro Carnage. Get over there and have a subscribe. Well then guys, today we've got some good fun for you today. We've got a washing machine to kill. Oh yeah. And we've got some lithium batteries. That's off a drone, DJI drone, so it's some nice lithium, fully charged, and some from whatever. I got a cap to blow. Oh John, we need to wire this cap up.
Oh yeah.
And that we was going to blow, but we can't find anything to connect it to, so that's going to have to be another time. So enjoy the video guys, and let's see what's crack-a-lacking. So yeah, sorry about the been a while guys to do a video. I've had a lot of shit, seriously, a lot of crap. So let's get back to the action. Let's get that there. Let's make sure I've got enough. Make sure I've got plenty of field of view, because this thing is going to dance like buggery. Right, should we start? Let's go, John. So you've got plenty of things, guys, to throw into this: batteries, bricks, glass, you name it. Hey? Come on, keep going. Keep it going, John. Keep it up, keep it up. Is that max? Not very much spin, is it? So we get it further, spin it off, I'll spin it up again. I'll stick my foot in it, slow it.
Oh, that's what we wanted to do.
Yeah.
Oh, holy shit! Oh, look at that.
Right, spin it back up then, we'll go full whack. Sorry about that, guys. Booyaka! Oh shit! Oh, miss! I don't understand now because it fucking launches something out at me. Yeah. Your trick that not going.
I can fix that.
Holy shit, look at that! Fucking hellfire! Into the...
I think it might have shorted out the wires.
Holy shit, that is mental.
I'll just make sure that's off. 1 second.
Yeah, just make sure that's off.
Yeah, got physical break on it.
Oh my god, that is hilarious. Even the top was coming off, look. Holy shit, look, the fucking things come off. That is fucking... Excuse my language, but that is bollocks. Dude, that's fucked. I think we've fucked it. I think it's fucked.
I think we might have shorted something.
Yeah, it's come off the mountains, everything. Yeah, it's ripped the wires off, look.
Yeah. Killed it.
Killed it, mate.
We popped it!
It's popped. Right, let's do some lithium. That was a good. That was a good blast. That one. I know.
Pumped clean out of it.
Yeah, I know. That was awesome,
smashed
mate.
it to bits. Oh wow.
I love a good carnage. I know. It's proper ripped it, mate. We just love that to do that one to your home one, while it's actually all in the units. See if it rips all the units out.
That's one way to demolish the kitchen.
Yeah, that would be. You know, if you want to get rid of a kitchen, guys, spin your washer up, but try and do something with a switch, and then when it's spun up, throw a few bricks into it and see if it annihilates your kitchen units. You're getting rid of them anyway.
Crank it on the area.
Yeah. Right, I've got some lithium to do now, dude. Right, so we need those wires off the washer. I can't pause my video because it's an iPhone. It's not.
I didn't even record that.
Oh, you are kidding me!
Oh, record this one. Next one. Oh yeah. That's ripped them windings clean out of it.
Oh, that was awesome. That was absolutely brilliant. That was. Can't beat it, can you? A good carnage. That was I actually enjoyed that one more than the one I did.
Yeah.
You know, where I strapped it down to those slabs.
It broke the cable.
Yeah. That was brilliant, that was. Just something, actually, to be fair, you know, that one actually broke up pretty easily compared to the one I did. That one that I did, it was solid.
How are we going to do this? We're just going to get
just
that cable there.
Yeah, just put it straight into it.
Yeah.
You should have done this before the video, you know. Yeah, John, use that. A bit of cable there, I did.
Yeah.
And put it into that block. And then straight into the contactor. Yeah, and then just turn the variac up to switch the contactor on. We're literally going to short out this lithium, guys. This wasn't an original DJI battery. It was a Chinese one, so 4,418 milliamp hour at 15.2 volts. And this thing is charged.
Right.
Just straight into the switch.
Got one there, and you got one
just
this.
straight into the side there.
Looking at the wrong one, then.
Let's see if there's still power in this. I know there still is power to it.
Don't worry, it is off.
Yeah, don't press that top in, whatever you do.
No.
I'm right next to it.
Bang.
16.4 volts in that, John.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, so it's going to go well, that is. I love those contactors because you can literally put anything on them and then.
Great, I love this.
Can you imagine if there's power on that now and it shorted it out?
Man. I'm going to put the top of the washing machine under that.
Under what?
Under that battery. So don't burn the decking.
Oh right, you mean on top of it?
Underneath it.
How do you mean by underneath of it? Oh, you mean under that?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Very careful with this. We are literally holding a bomb. So we want that a bit far away from there.
Yeah.
Put that there like that. Right, we're ready with that, aren't we? Let me set my camera up. Sorry about this, guys. I'm absolutely not organised at all.
That might actually activate just a few volts.
Yeah, probably.
Off electromagnetic field, isn't it?
See if I can zoom in a little bit for you, because this is going to be brilliant. Right, let me get to a safe distance. Get your phone, John. Record it. Get me talking, mate. Is it recording? That one yet? This one? Right, we're recording. I'll zoom in for you.
Right.
Go.
Right, variax up. Oh shit, wires. What are the wires?
To the voltage down a bit.
How was that? Oh, it's gonna
current went through the wires, didn't it?
Yeah.
God damn it, I pulled it. What the hell?
Oh, some great smoke development. I think I was quite impressed with that.
That was getting warm.
Yeah, that's actually just burnt them wires clean out, isn't it? Need some big thick wire in that.
We need to just short this out, literally.
Oh, yeah, it's still got juice in it.
We need to short that out literally straight away. Because that's what lithium's in it, guys. 4 packs. That's just warm, that is. So that needs to be literally shorted out. We need some thick wire. Yeah, that will do it straight away. Sorry about this, guys.
Right,
A technical hiccup.
Knock the power off to the.
Varia. Yeah, let me undo these wires then while you sort that out.
That's it.
I can't believe that. Looks like sparklers.
Absolutely destroyed that wire. Can't believe that.
Oh my god, there's some current in these batteries, you know. These lithium.
Hell, that was ridiculous.
And there's definitely no, I can remember definitely when I opened this, oh, they're definitely warm, they are. Yeah, these were definitely, actually I've got voltages left in this now.
Right.
16.1, so we've,
You haven't even killed it.
no, it's literally nothing, mate. I held my breath though when that smoke come towards me,
Oh,
did you? It was like... Shorter the wires would have been better.
Can't get out of that washing machine. Right. Oh well, I've got another washing machine run now, so it's my burner.
Yeah, you have. I did that, John, because the time's cracking. Like 11.
Is that contactor still open?
Yeah, it's fine. It was just making a bit of a racket. Could do with a bit of rubber underneath a bit.
Yeah. It's only slightly warm, isn't it?
You done?
Yeah.
Is that
We are
cool?
good.
Get on, get on, get on, get on. Right, let's go for it. Just make sure I'm still recording.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're awesome. Oh, we're still watching. Yeah, we're still watching. Right. Get yours ready.
That's the one. Right,
Are we in error? Hold on. Real quick. That's what I mean about Android. So I went straight over to my phone. Never looked back.
Ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Did you hear that?
I did.
That sounded so cool.
It's swelling.
I was taking it.
Get some time. See the smell. This is my eyesight. Is it still connected? It is, yeah, it is. Come on, really? There's no protection. That's a freaking awesome battery. Never had no problems with it. Let's turn it off for a sec. Right, why? I don't want to stop this recording to get some problems up again. Just want to check it.
It's still on.
Is that contacted out?
Nah.
Oh. See if it's hot.
Bang. Okay, that's hot. Ah.
The wire come off.
Yeah, it's actually blew the solder clean off it.
You are kidding
No
me.
way.
Right, drop some heavy on it.
Yeah. What's that?
Puncture it.
Shit out.
Puncture it.
Right, I got it.
We need to put some on it, don't we?
Yeah. We just need to get one cell going, don't we?
Yeah.
The rest will go.
Hey, Dart! You've got darts!
Hey?
You've got darts!
Oh, fuck yeah. Let's play darts with a lithium battery.
Yeah, play darts. Chuck darts at it. I'm recording your phone so you
can
can
grab
do
them
it.
shit ones then.
Where did I?
Darts are upstairs.
Run! Go, quick, I'm recording. The guys are going to be like, what the fuck? I was drinking a coffee one minute. Can't beat a nice Starbucks coffee from the shop. You're all over the place here with your phone, John. Just pop it up there for a minute, won't we? Just quickly, let's zoom out so I'm a bit better. Stand up here. Have a drink. I do apologise about this, guys. Johnson will come to and get his darts. I'm going to be throwing darts at this. Talk about an unorganised video.
I don't really like these darts anyway.
Oh yeah.
Watch your legs.
Oh come on. 182. Go on, get a triple 20.
Oh! Playing darts with a lithium battery.
Can't beat it, mate.
Never thought I'd do this in my life.
It's always first time for something. Oh, John,
close.
come on, mate.
So fucking close.
I seen some darts in your garage, in your shed. What?
Like this.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck's sake. I just think I'll be very good at darts.
Yes, yes.
No.
No. The other one. Grab the other one quick. You'll know when it's going, John.
There's no way we killed this fucking battery. Oh shit, we killed the darts.
Oh my god. You got an ammo?
Yeah.
Just smack the thing.
Oh.
Just forward it, guys. Forward it to the best bits. Fucking hellfire. Where's my hammer? Anything, John. Just grab anything. Just twat it. Oh my. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Is that going? Yo, get that dart and throw it at it again.
Yeah.
Ooh. Like it's no lithium. I think I'm in the wrong place, you know. I think I'm definitely in the wrong place for that thing when it goes. Excuse me.
Sit there in it.
Right, go.
Oh, hell.
So close and yet so near. Yes. Grab the dart. You're fine because it'll start going, you'll know when it goes. I'm going to go over there a minute and I'm going to fucking chuck a brick on it. Oh, that would have been so cool if we got that one in. Whoa! Have you had a drink?
No. Oh, you got line of sight.
Actually, if you had a drink, mate, I think you get it first time.
Yeah,
Yes! Now force it in with your fingers. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. There we go.
I didn't like them darts anyway.
I wanted to see flameage.
Only one's gone.
Twat it. Did you hit it?
Hit it with a brick. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Is that it?
Oh, here we go.
No. Chain reaction. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Shit, I might be recording it.
Oh, there's one cell. It hasn't quite gone yet.
Give it time.
Well, the cell's not quite. There it goes.
Yes. Should put some more then, you know. I've got 2 more there, John.
That's lovely, that is.
I know, I love it, don't you?
Ah. Okay, let's put that fire out. Remnants of the beer.
You pissing on me?
Nah.
Holy shit!
It's what's left of the homebrew.
You didn't like that, did it?
They've all gone.
You didn't like that?
There you go.
Did you wait?
Oh,
Oh, that stinks rank.
that is bad.
John, that is bad, mate. Oh, that is bad. That stinks really weird.
Homebrew.
That's not piss, is it?
No, it's homebrew.
Homebrew? You mean your own brew?
Yeah.
Ugh. So stop this video, John.
Yeah.
Have you enjoyed it, guys? I'm on the John's channel.
There you go.
This is Anthony and High 1 Voltage 1 Rules. Come over and subscribe. Later. Oh man, that was
That was
mental.
quite nice. Oh, apart from the smell of it.
God, that stinks bad.
Smell of the beer after. Oh, my dart survived. Oh, yeah.
Right, let's do this one. I'm just going to stick these both together.
Oh, yeah. Right, to make sure the power's up on there. Yeah, we're off. We're good. Good to go. That's a bit of screwdriver.
No, I mean, I'm going to stick the wires together.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Just wrap these together and run. There we go. Hopefully that'll do it.
The cable moves and the cable's getting a bit low.
Hey?
Cable dropped a little bit down, so it must get more.
Is it going?
Not yet. No, that ain't swelling, rubber.
Eat that, sucker!
Off it done a bit. Oh.
No, I seen a spark.
Yeah, I just smoke now.
Oh yeah, that's really great, isn't it? There's fucking no wrong with them batteries and all, you know. These were good batteries. They'll probably end up going in a bit. Stick them on the fire.
Yeah, and get
Oh. Right, let's quickly wire that cap up.
Which one we're doing that on?
That's going
Straight on mains?
straight on the mains, yeah.
Nice.
We need a screwdriver,
Yep.
quickly. That one do it, won't it? Oh, that is rank. John, that is really bad, mate, that smell. I've never smelled toad like it. It smells like...
That's what happens when you burn beer.
It smells like a dirty, shitty nappy has literally drunk a beer. So this should go well.
I'll let you crank up this one.
I'll just turn it straight up. I bet my subscribers are like, I think I'll just forward it to the best bits. I don't know what's happening here, man. You've seriously let us down here, mate. And done a good cap bang for ages.
Nah.
Can't beat a good cap.
This one watch blows guts, isn't it?
Like a small lithium from that pack.
Oh yeah, it's going. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's swelling up, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's going. That is nice. Better late than never.
Yeah.
Oh. Spark come out of it then.
I do love lithium though for going. I love that lithium smell, but it's not good to breathe in, you
it's
know.
not good, is it? It smells great, but I'm getting out of the way from this one.
Is that on?
Yeah.
shit, John. Yeah, I don't think he likes that, mate.
Yeah.
Your bear does not like that at all. Well, guys, I'm sorry about the failures and the not being on the ball. Hope you liked the video anyway. A bit of carnage for you, the washing machine and some lithium packs. They were definitely worth the video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up if you can. Would be really great if more thumbs up the better. If you don't like it, thumbs it down, I don't mind anyway. But thanks for watching, look after yourselves and be safe, and hopefully it won't be too long for another video. I'll be doing a flyback video soon because I've got a nice tripler, so I want to show you that. And John,
little CRT as well.
Yeah, a little TV you get me into it. So yeah, look after yourselves and be safe. Please don't try this at home unless you're fully competent. Not like me and John here who just don't give a shit.
We don't.
Yeah, take it easy. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Is that actually going, that thing? Oh, oh my god, that stinks. Put the closeness up on that. Take it easy, guys.